Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting question from Stanford Math Tournament. We have one quadratic equation x square minus ax plus b equal to 0 whose roots are distinct integers and 1 over x1 plus 1 over x2 is equal to half given to us, and it is said to find integer values of a. At first glance this problem looks difficult, but with a clever trick, that is Simon's favorite factoring trick, make this problem surprisingly simple. So let's begin. We have roots x1 and x2. x1 cannot be equal to x2 because roots are distinct. Now we'll be using Vieta's formula over here. So we'll write sum of roots first. x1 plus x2 will be minus of coefficient of x, which is minus of minus a, over leading coefficient, it is 1 over here. Minus times minus becomes plus. So x1 plus x2 is a. Now we'll find product of roots. So we will write here x1 times x2, which is equal to constant over leading coefficient. Here constant is b, leading coefficient is 1. So x1 times x2 would be b. Now we will find LCM over here. So I can write x2 plus x1 in the numerator, which is x1 plus x2, and in denominator we will write x1 times x2 will be equal to half. Now x1 plus x2 is a, x1 times x2 is b equal to half. Now we'll cross multiply and get b equal to 2 times a, which we are going to apply over here. So I can write equation x square minus ax plus b equal to 0. Now b is 2a. So we will write quadratic equation x square minus ax plus 2 times a equal to 0. Now we will find sum of roots, product of roots once again. So I will write quadratic x square minus ax plus 2a equal to 0. Roots are x1 and x2. So x1 plus x2 would be a, x1 times x2 would be 2a. Now from first equation, I will put value of a, which is x1 plus x2, in second equation. We will get x1 times x2 equal to 2 times a. A is x1 plus x2, which will be written as x1 x2 equal to 2 times x1 plus 2 times x2. Now we will take all the terms to left hand side. So x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus 2x2 equal to 0. Now we will use Simon's favorite factoring trick. If I will take x1 common from these two terms, we will get x2 minus 2 in the bracket. To get the same bracket over here, we need to add 4 to both sides. Now we will take minus 2 common out. So in the bracket there will be x2 minus 2, which is required here. Right hand side is 4. Now we can take x2 minus 2 overall common from LHS. We will get x1 minus 2 times x2 minus 2 equal to 4. Now x1, x2 are distinct integers. We will find factors of 4. Let me write equation over here, x1 minus 2 times x2 minus 2 equal to 4. So we can consider x1 minus 2 equal to 1, and if we will multiply 1 with 4, we are going to get product 4. If we'll take x1 minus 2 equal to 4 and x2 minus 2 equal to 1, we are going to get the same product 4. We can also consider both brackets equal to 2, product will become 4. Now we will consider negative integers. So minus 1 times minus 4 will also give plus 4. Minus 4 times minus 1 is also plus 4. And minus 2 times minus 2 will give us product 4. Now x1 and x2 are distinct integers. Equation is symmetrical in x1 and x2. So we are going to reject 2 and 2, minus 2 and minus 2. So we have to focus on these factors only. So I will write here. I will write first column x1 minus 2, second column x2 minus 2. Then we'll write third column x1, fourth column x2, last column which is required in this problem. Now x1 minus 2 is 1, x2 minus 2 is 4. 4 and 1. Minus 1 and minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 1. Now we are going to add 2 to this column to get the value of x1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Similarly, we have to find x2, which we will get by adding 2 to this column. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Now A is x1 plus x2. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 1 plus minus 2 is minus 1. And minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So we have A equal to 9 and A equal to negative 1. So we'll write here integer values of A equal to negative 1 and A equal to 9. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.